Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliana. So basically, when I was reading through the comment sections, I saw a lot of you guys are curious about what I eat. Like, you guys want me to do some what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week videos.
Well, if you have watched my previous videos or Instagram stories, you're gonna notice that I do not have a restrictive diet. But there's one rule that I follow. Well, when we're talking about weight loss, weight gain, or weight maintenance, there's one simple logic that a lot of people actually overlooked. Is your total energy intake minus your total energy expenditure. And that's your weight change. Simple maths, and I hope this kind of answered most of you that DM to me asking me how can we achieve a certain kind of weight change. And to change our current body fat percentage, there are three main strategies in the medical field: drugs, surgery, and behavior therapy. For patients who are clinically diagnosed with obesity, they might be prescribed with drugs or surgeries to reduce their appetite or food absorption to decrease their total energy intake. At the same time, with this kind of methods, they can also increase their thermogenesis or resting metabolism to increase their total energy expenditure. Well, for us, if we simply want to kind of glow up and achieve our body goal, I'll 100% recommend y'all to go with behavior changes. And I also believe that's the reason why you are here watching this video, right? To do that, we'll have to decrease our energy intake and increase our physical activities. And of course, a combination of both will be perfect. And since I do intuitive eating, I do have a habit to detox myself every few days. And I filmed some of the meals that I have during that day.
Hopefully, this can kind of give you guys some inspiration or motivation to adopt a healthier lifestyle.
The chicken salad. Try this chicken. Okay. This is what I want. Yes.